Hi, this is Dr. Greg McDonald, and I'm here for ExpertVillage.com. We're going to talk a little bit about home care of your cat's teeth, things that you can do at home to prevent dental disease in your cat. One of the products that we really like is called CET toothpaste, and this comes with a really neat little toothbrush that you can put on your finger, and I think it's excellent for cats because a regular toothbrush is really hard to put into their mouth. This slides over your finger like this, and it has little brushes on it, and you can brush your cat's teeth. Stripes, why don't you come over here and we'll show you a little bit about how to do that. The thing is that you don't want to use regular toothpaste in home care because cats don't know that they're supposed to spit out the toothpaste, and if they swallow it, it has some detergent in it that can upset their GI tract. And so you do need to get a special tooth polish from your veterinarian. One of the other fun things that I talk about is if you can make it fun for your cat to get their teeth done by successive approximations. By that I mean you just get a little bit done every day. The first couple times you try it, you're not trying to get anything done with the teeth cleaning. You're just trying to expose the cat to something that he's going to have done to them that they won't be afraid of later in their life. If you just go home with something like this and you just force your finger in their mouth, then he's going to run away. You're never going to get anything done. So it's important to start out. Now, Stripes has had some oral care before this way, and you just start by first just brushing the teeth just a little bit like that. And you can see they actually let you take some of that tartar and brush it off. Now, if I had some of that stuff on there, we'd actually be accomplishing a lot more. But you put the special tooth polish onto this, and then you rub it on the teeth. The real key to home care, especially in cats, this works for dogs too, is the training process. Just like any animal, if they like coming over and visiting to you and they get groomed or petted and they like that, it's because you've done nothing to hurt them. And so if you can start out slowly, I think you should take like a month's time period every day. You call your cat over, give him a little bit of a taste of the tooth polish and say, let's brush, let's brush. You just get a little bit done every time, then you may actually avoid having to put your cat under anesthesia at a later date. And so this is a bit about home dental care that you can do for your cat. Check in with your veterinarian for the right products so you don't use something that can make them sick, and you can really do this at home.